What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can organize your YouTube video database with Google Spreadsheet. Let's get started. To organize your YouTube video database with Google Spreadsheet, you'll first of all search for YouTube right here on all your apps. Now click on YouTube. For our trigger, we are going to use watch videos in a channel and use this as our trigger. The next thing we'll do is we'll create a connection between YouTube and Makecom. To do that, all you have to do is click on add, and here you can rename your connection YouTube video database. The next thing I'll do is here I'll select a yes, that I understand and accept YouTube's terms of service and Google privacy policy, and then click on sign in with Google. A new tab will open with all your Google accounts. All you have to do is choose the specific account that you like to connect to Make. After choosing an account, the window will close and your connection will be created. The next thing we'll do is to choose where to start. You can choose to start from now, and every single video that will be posted will be organized to your Google spreadsheet. You can also choose to start from a specific date. You can also choose to start from all the videos that have been created on a particular channel, or to choose the videos manually. I'll choose to start from all and then click on OK. Now on our module, here we'll need to add our channel ID. To find our channel ID, you can search on Google on how you can find a YouTube channel ID. If you're trying to find the channel ID of your channel, all you have to do is sign in to your YouTube account. Click on your profile picture at the top right, click on setting, and then select the advanced settings, and your channel ID will be displayed right here. You can copy it and come and paste it right here. Now, if you're trying to find a YouTube channel ID for another channel, you can use one of these tools right here, like this comment picker. And then on comment picker, you can add a YouTube channel's username, and then click on get YouTube channel ID, and below you'll see the channel ID of the specific user. Now for the channel ID, I'll use my own channel ID, which is this one right here. Next, I'll choose when the videos were published. So I'll choose to start from, let's say, a few months ago, let's say the 1st of May. After, I'll just say yesterday. For the limit, let's say I'll choose 5 as our limit, and then click on OK. Now to see if our module works, I'll just run it. Now you can see 5 different videos that have been posted from my own channel. This is amazing. So I'm getting the video ID, the channel ID, the title of the video, the description, the thumbnails, the channel name, the published art, and the published time. And that's for every single video that I have sourced using this module. Now, if I'm trying to organize this video into a Google spreadsheet, here I'll add Google Sheets and then click on Add a Row. I've created this spreadsheet that we're going to add our videos over here. Now I have one column for the video URL, channel ID, title, description, and channel title. So that's the username of the channel and the published time. Our spreadsheet is called YouTube Video Database. So on automation, I'll search for our spreadsheet and click on it. I'll select the sheet name. And then here I can begin adding all the details. So for the video URL, I'll paste this link and then paste the video ID. For the channel ID, I'll choose the channel ID. The title, I'll choose the title. Description, I'll choose the description. The channel title, I'll choose the channel title. And the published time, I'll choose the published time. And then click on OK. To add the videos to our Google spreadsheet, all I'll have to do is just run our module. And you can see 5 videos were added to our Google spreadsheet. Now, when I go to our Google spreadsheet, you will see now that we have 5 new videos that we just added from our automation right here. So we have the video URL, the channel ID, the title of the videos, description of each video, the channel name, and the published, and the date and time the videos were published. So this is the link to the specific videos, the title, the description, and the date and time each video was published. Using this automation, you can organize your YouTube video database with a Google spreadsheet. So that was a quick video on how you can organize your YouTube video database on a Google spreadsheet. So we just created this automation right here. We added our channel ID and the dates that we would like to pick. And then here we are adding the limit. Then we're adding all those videos to our Google spreadsheet, which will look like this. That's awesome. If you have any automation in mind that you would like for me to create, comment down below in the comment section. And if I find your comment intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how you can create that automation live on a future video. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.